Oh,
Get
set, go.
right here.
Oh, he charged the piranha. Oh. All right, kids. This was probably the hardest part to put on. Ooh, what are we gonna do today?
A piranha plant racer.
A piranha plant racer? From where?
It was
Like, let me see the box. Wow, excuse the mess, guys. It was Sammy's birthday yesterday. Huh? Was your birthday yesterday?
yeah.
And you got these presents?
I got with the controller.
Oh, yeah. Wow, let's see the box right here. Let me see. Let's build it. Let's build this one. Let me see. What is it?
Let's build this one.
It's the Mario Kart, the Piranha Plant Attack. And it comes with a Yoshi, huh? Where's the Yoshi?
Yoshi's right here.
Oh, wow. Let me see. It's with the Mach 8.
It's with the rocket turn my car.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Let's
Like
see.
a rocket.
Oh, wow. It looks like a bottle. Wow.
A bottle.
Where are the instructions for this?
What?
Over here, look. All right, so Sammy kind of started it. Huh, Sammy, you started the piranha? Oh, wow, another racer for Sammy. And we're gonna go ahead and build it real quick.
And last is Bowser.
Wow, skis.
Look at these are half spine.
Yeah, all right, so these are gonna be the pieces right here.
Whoa.
All right, we're gonna need this one, the V right here.
The V right here.
And then we're gonna need the little circular one, I believe.
Look, I found it.
Oh yeah, the piranha head plant. All right, looks like we're gonna have to build it. All right, put it on. Where's the stick? Right here, look.
What?
Right here, look.
The stick?
The plant stick right here.
What?
Wow. All right, kids, this was probably the hardest part to put on.
Mamma
So here we go. We
mia!
got the piranha plant. Huh, Sammy?
Yeah.
All right, put it on.
Put it on in the hole.
Oh, you're gonna put it on the hole? Snap on? Oh, wow. All right,
Feels like-
cool. Oh, wow.
Today is the ramp piece.
All right, so it's gonna say we're gonna have to
Put the ramp
the
piece.
pieces together, which those are necks. All right, and then we're gonna need the ramp piece. Let me see. Which one is that one?
The ramp piece.
All right, let's see. Let's take a look.
Let's take a look of this Hot Wheel racing ramp.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Like
Where's the
a-
piece we're looking?
Like this one.
All right, so we got this piece right here, and where does it go, Sammy?
It goes right here.
I think it
Mamma
goes on this one
mia.
Right here, this one right here.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna snap on. Look.
It is.
And
What
then
is this?
We're gonna go to step number
3.
3. It's gonna be step number 6 now.
6 now.
Yeah, so we're gonna need the ramp. This one, right here.
And this one.
This one's gonna go right here, and then we're gonna need a ramp. This one, and then we're gonna connect them, and then we're gonna test it out real quick.
Yeah.
All right, so this one's gonna snap in here,
That's gonna snap right there.
and then I think this one's gonna go here. Right here, I think it slides in, I believe. Let's see, it's kind of hard. No backup from Sammy. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's in right there.
Hey,
All right, what's next, Sammy?
this one.
All right, do we have another ramp? Another green ramp or no?
No.
Or is that it? That's it?
That's it. Yeah.
Okay, so it's just one, and I guess it goes in the middle then.
Look at. We can accept the Luigi right here.
Wow.
Ready, set, go. Oh. He didn't win. He took it like that. Bam.
He crashed?
Turn on the piranha plant.
All right, give me 1 second. Let's see. We're missing a piece. On, turn it on. All right, this one's pretty cool because you get to spin it.
Spin it.
Oh wait, I think that's the wrong way. Recharge it.
I want it.
This could be like a little cool piece for our.
Ready?
A big track.
Set. Go.
Oh wow!
They got that time.
Yeah, wow. We're gonna have to make a big track. All right, guys. So we found out you could spin this.
Spin that.
What side are you gonna go, Sammy? Left
Left.
or right?
Left.
This side or this side? Which one you want?
This side.
The right. All right.
Right.
Let's spin it. Let's take our chances, and then we're gonna recharge the Piranha. Plant. Oh, whoa! Wow!
Yo! You can spin it by Luigi. Luigi!
All right, let's see.
Move Yoshi.
All right, Dad. So, who's next? Luigi?
Luigi, yeah.
All right, wait. Fix the. Oh, he made it. He survived. Another car. Put another one.
Bowser.
All right, cheating Bowser. Hold on 1 second. Put the brake. Let's recharge. Ready, set, go.
Go, Bowser.
Oh, he survived. Next car. Try, guys.
Oh, look it. I want to do one more time.
All right.
They got on that time, Bowser.
Okay, let's
The
recharge
Piranha
quick.
Plant.
All right, go Bowser. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he survived.
They got on that time.
Oh, he got him. The Piranha right now. He bit him. Bad Bowser. Go.
Get out of here.
Oh, he got him. Wow.
Get out of here.
Oh. All right, let's recharge. Oh. Wow. You gotta recharge.
Ready, set.
Set, go. Oh, he's gonna get stuck here. I'll do it. All right, we're gonna do Bowser again. You don't want to do the tow truck Yoshi next? All right, ready?
Set. Get out of here.
Oh, he
Mamma
crashed.
Get out of here.
Oh.
Ah! They got him.
Oh, he got stuck.
He got stuck over the track. He was like, Bill. Koopa too.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get out of here. Ah!
Wow.
Like that. What? What?
Oh, he got him. Another racer?
No.
No, no other racer?
Oh, no, not like that. Oh. Get it.
All right, we gotta recharge it. Here, let me
Ready?
recharge it. Let me recharge fast. Ready, set, go. Oh, he got stuck.
He
Bowser.
said, me not in Piranha Plant. He say, hello.
He said hello, Piranha Plant. Put him good, put him good. All right, ready, set,
Set, go.
Oh. What?
Bowser got truck.
One go. Oh, he got stuck again. We gotta fix this. All right, let's do the other side now. Let's do the left side.
Ready?
All right, here we go. The left side.
I want a camera with a skateboard.
Yeah, hold on. Let's recharge the Piranha Plant. 1, 2, 3.
Bowser,
Wow, Bowser, he survived. He didn't get bit.
he didn't get to the finish line.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
One more time.
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Yes. Go.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Trap. You don't want to do another character? Or is Bowser your favorite?
Bowser my favorite.
Bowser your favorite? Oh! Oh! He dodged him. Cool.
He dodged him and run away.
Yeah, wow.
Ready, set, go!
Woo!
Oh, let's be charged again. Go.
Oh, he
They
almost
got him
escaped.
that time.
They got him that time?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me be charged at that time.
You're gonna recharge it?
Ready,
Wow.
set, go!
Oh, he survived. Let me recharge real quick. Go! Woo!
Bowser!
He dodged it.
Ready, set. Ready, set. Bowser then eliminated. Oh my gosh, the piranha plant's kicking on the track.
All right, let's do another car.
No.
Let's see who survives. Wow.
Bowser wins!
Bowser won.
Let's put him in the winners right there.
All right, which one's next?
Shy Guy
Shy
character.
Guy.
Shy Guy is gonna catch the piranha plant.
All right, let me recharge.
Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, he got hit.
Ready, set, get out of here.
Oh, he made it by the skin of his teeth.
Let's put him in right this way.
Wow, the winner's circle. All right, set him up while I recharge.
Next is Yoshi.
Troopa character car with the little egg in the back. All right.
Ready, set, go. Get ready, set, go. Get out of here.
Oh, he made it.
Let's put him in the
And the winners
Dry Bones character.
versus Dry Bones character.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if he makes it. Ready.
Set, go. Get out. Go. Get
Oh, he made it too. Wow, they're all making it.
Hey, next is Cheaty Bowser.
Cheating Bowser. Standard card Bowser. All right, let's
He
recharge.
has the spikes.
He has spikes in his shell, huh? And his back. Ready?
Ugh.
Ready?
Get out of here.
He made it. Wow, we got Koopa Cup next. Or who do we got next?
Koopa Cup.
Wow, Koopa Cup with the recharge right here.
Koopa Troopa. Ready?
Go!
Go, get out of here.
Oh!
Get out of here.
Oh! He barely made it.
They got him that time.
Oh, they got him that time? All right, let's do a replay. Another try.
Ready, set, go. Get out. Ready, set, go. Get out. Here.
He made it this time.
Let's put them in the winners right here.
In the
Next
winner's
is
circle.
Character Peach.
Character Peach card.
Now
Okay.
we do this one.
Yeah, we'll do that one next.
Go.
Whoa! She made it, Peach.
Let's put them in his spot.
In the
Next
winner's
is
circle.
Mario character.
Mario character.
Let's go!
Ready,
Set,
set,
get out of here.
Oh, he Oh, he barely made it too.
Thank you guys for watching my Piranha video. And subscribe to my video and comment.
Woo!